Articles are used to point out or refer to nouns. An, and the are called articles. There are two types of articles, definite and indefinite. Now, what are indefinite articles? A and an are called indefinite articles. Why so? Because they do not refer to any particular or definite person, place, or a thing. The example is an umbrella, a boy, or you can say a book. Now, what are definite articles? The is called the definite article. And why so? Because it is pointing out at a particular object or a thing. Now, look at this example. This is the boy who had stolen my purse. So, you are pointing out at the boy. So, therefore, you have used the boy. What are the rules? A is used before a consonant. Consonant are all those words that do not start with A, E, I, O or U. Those are vowels. So all the others are called consonants. So you can see the example, a tiger. Now the second rule is, a is also used before a word beginning with a vowel but sounding like a consonant. Now this is very important. Concentrate on this. A 1 rupee coin. Look here children. 1 is starting with O. But we have not put an before it. Why? Because the sound is v, 1. So, a 1 rupee coin. Now look at the second word. European. It is starting with E. But the sound is European. So therefore we are using a European. The next word is utensil. Again the sound is but the word is U. So here you have to conclude that we are not going to see the alphabet, but we are going to see the sound of the alphabet. Now look at the next sentence. If the sentence is spoken empathetically, that is, Rome was not built in a day. So there you can use a. Now where do we use an? We use an before a vowel, that is A, E, I, O or U. So here is an example, an apple. And we also use an before a word which is beginning with a consonant but then having a vowel sound. Now see, an MBA. It is beginning with M but the sound is E, MBA. An R. Sound is R. So an R. And then an honest man. Again, H is silent and O is the sound. So we are not again looking at the word with which is starting, but the sound which it is making. Now, where is the used? The is used before a word denoting a particular person or a thing. Let's go to the cinema. The next rule is before the names of the following, that is seas, rivers, gulfs, canals or deserts, like the Red Sea, the Persian Gulf. The next rule is before titles, Akbar the Great, so the Great. And last is before the words denoting numbers or weights. Cloth is sold by the meter. Now let's practice. Let's look at these words. An umbrella. Umbrella, this word is beginning with an vowel and the sound is also a. So an umbrella. The Ganges, it's the name of a river. A boy. Again, this is an exceptional and honest person. Again, H is silent and you are beginning the word with sound O. Honest person. So an honest. and a 1 rupee coin.
Class 5. After this explanation, take out your grammar book, page number 77. You have to complete chapter article with the help of this explanation. Complete page number 77, 78, 79, page number 80, page number 81, page number 82, and page number 83, and last page is page number 84. Kindly complete your work on time. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.